All right, so if you want to add an email address and you don't have one, I want to share with you exactly how you can do it using Namecheap. This is the one that I use and the one that I recommend. So in this case, all you need is to purchase a domain, and then afterwards you actually need to create a private email. So in that case, I'm going to go ahead and buy that with you. So right here, you go ahead and click buy now. Once you're here, you're going to be redirected, and you do need to purchase a domain or an email service. In this case, we have 3. You can go ahead and choose whatever you like, the plan that you prefer. If you feel that you're going to be using these heavily, well, probably the Pro with 3 mailboxes with 30 gigabytes for emails is going to be cool. If you feel like you need more than that, 5 mailboxes in this one's going to be better. Okay. If you just need one for support@yourdomain.com, then you can also go for this one here. Okay. For this example specifically, I'm just going to be using the starter, but you can create any of the other ones. So what you want to do is you want to copy this if you have this stuff and then get started. Okay. Once you're here, all we need to do is make sure that you go ahead and purchase, use the domain I own with Namecheap. I'm going to be using this one here. So I'm going to select it. And then right here is the price. I just hit continue, buy it, and then go to the next step. Once you purchase, you're going to have to go to your domain list, select the domain that you want, and click manage. Once we are here, now that you scroll, you're going to see private email, and you have your mailbox right here. So the first step is to add a mailbox. What you want to think about is what kind of name are you going to add? So for example, if you want to add support at your domain or info, so have that one in an exact name that you need in order for you to do that. So right here you have create mailbox, and then you have buy mailbox right here if you need more. Okay, so let's go ahead and create mailbox. Now here, this is going to be the name. It's going to be support. Now mailbox password, just create something. And then for the mailbox storage, right now I have a total maximum of 5 gigabytes, and it's showing me how many gigabytes are left. But you can go ahead and do 1, 5, whatever you prefer in this case. Go ahead and save the changes right after you create it. So now we have support at WeScaleDigitalCourses.com. I'm going to copy this real quick, and then I'm going to go back to the email addresses right here. So what I want to do next is we just need to create here, and then paste it right there. Make sure that you don't have any invisible characters, and then save. Once we have this, an email address has been added, and what you need to do right after is this one is pending. You need to go to your email box. Okay, you need to log in into your email box and then click on the domain there to confirm that to confirm the connection. All right. In order for you to go to that mailbox, all you need to do is go to your mailbox right here and then click on this arrow and open webmail. Once you are here, you need to log in. So you use the login credentials that you just built before and now log in. Once you get here, now you're going to have one email, okay, right here with Systeme. So I don't need anything here, systeme.io. And now you just need to click here to confirm. And confirm sender email address is done. Okay, so now we go ahead and confirm. Now in this case, if we go back to this email, we're going to see pending. If we refresh real quick, now it's verified. So now you can use this email to send emails in your profile.